Now this is just a mock-up. These are not in line at all. I took the tape off of them when I was doing all the sanding. That told me which was front and which was rear, so I'm going to redo some measurements because they're supposed to be a slightly recessed in the front. And if you look close, or I can feel, you probably, I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but this side's good. That side, this is proud to this. So either way, put a couple dowels in here and dry fit this thing to see what it's going to look like. Now we just got to put these in. Oop. That mortise is a little tight. So it's either mortise or tenon, one or the other. So I think what I'll do is just give it a quick sand over. That one's a little tight too. Good for that. I'll get these fixed up better fitting for with glue later. There's the gist of it. think it's going to be real nice. I'm of course going to have a footrest here that comes out. Alright. There's a quick dry fit of it to show you guys. More coming soon.